Here we got a 58 Studebaker Silverhawk. Never saw this car here either, too. It's kind of weird, you know, you get all this rain and still cars coming here I never saw before. It's a 58 Studebaker for Silverhawk. Looks like an original motor. It's amazing, this car was way ahead of its time. Way ahead. And, I mean, the whole styling of the car. And, you know, back in the 50s, I mean, everything was popping. I mean, not just the cars, but the furniture, the decor of the house, you know, the appliances, the type of, I don't know, radios you would buy. Yeah, everything was colorful, two tones, space-age design. Look at the back of this thing, man. How would you like to fix that thing if it got dented back there? You could try to put all those little creases in there and stuff. This would be a hard car to fix if you had to get your head back, because, you know, the fins and, ooh, man. So, gas tank back there. And a 58 Studebaker Silverhawk V8 3-speed transit overdrive. Oh, he's selling it. For sale. It's got the under dash air conditioning and stuff, so that's good. You need that in the hot states. And you know, a car like this back in the day was considered a very complicated car, even without that air conditioning unit, which wouldn't have been on there back in 1958. But yeah, you look at it today and say, well, look how easy it is to get those plugs and stuff, you know. So look at that grill. Something else, ain't it? Something else.